Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I'm literally about to shoot off to another job, but I thought I'd quickly squeeze in another video just so that I can at least feel that, you know, this YouTube channel is growing and I'm just pumping it. Because if I don't and I make excuses and because of work and because of time, it just doesn't get anywhere. So I've got about 10 to 4, I've got about 10 minutes to quickly blurb out this dialogue so that I can quickly whip up a video for you guys. And this video is literally about a camera bag that I've been looking for so long. I mean, this bag is incredible. Let me go and get it. Bring this down a little bit here. Right, here's the bag. Why is it so cool? I'll tell you why in a second. This bag, right. First of all, it's got this amount of space to put all my gear in. Whoa, it's an expensive lens. Right, this amount of space to put all my gear in, and the main reason I'm excited about this bag is not because of the compartments and what it's got. It has a compartment which fits my gimbal. Oh, I've been looking for a bag like this for so long. Normally I'm carrying 2 bags. I'm normally just trying to figure out this bag. Wait for it. Has an extra compartment which slots. Oh, you can't even see anything. I don't know what I'm showing you. Let me just bring this down a little bit. This bag has a compartment which has, check this out. Now 1 minute. I'm back. Check this out. I've been waiting and looking for a bag like this for so long. So this is my gimbal. Check this out. This is the compartment. And watch this. It slots in perfectly. And then you zip it up. And it's all... Oh, look at that. Basically, I just don't have to think too hard. Where did I put this? Where did I put that? Everything is just in one place. I've actually got to shoot right now, so I've got to go, guys. But I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider to subscribe and like and all the rest of it. You know how it goes. We need the support. See you in the next one. Peace. See ya.